Hello, I'm going to show you how to file VAT returns using 123 sheets. You will first need to download a VAT filing template. You can do so from here by clicking on Download Filing Worksheet and choosing the version you need. The filing process between all the different softwares is the same. For this video, I need to download the Excel 2010 Plus version. When you are logged into your account, you can also download a filing template from your homepage. You can either keep this filing template as a standalone spreadsheet, or you can choose to integrate it with your existing bookkeeping template, as I have done here with this example data. To start filing, click on a box, press equals on your keyboard, find the relevant sum figure from your bookkeeping, click on it, and press enter. Then, proceed through the other boxes in the same manner. When done, click Save and the spreadsheet is saved. This also works if you have the filing template and your bookkeeping spreadsheet separate, like in this example. Then, while logging into your account, you can click Home and then click the To Do tab. From here, you can see your outstanding returns. The data on the To Do and the History tabs is all live data from HMRC. To upload your spreadsheet, click on File Return. From this page, you need to choose the file type from these options here. Then, you need to upload your file by dragging and dropping the file, click on Add File, and then click on Show Figures. Alternatively, you can click on Choose File, find your file from the window pop-up, and click Upload. You will then be shown the uploaded figures. Double-check and verify that these figures are correct, click the confirmation box, and click File Return. You will get a confirmation that HMRC has accepted the return, and you can view it on the Returns History page. Thank you for watching, and feel free to try out our demo and set up an account.